Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Walkstars, and I'm back with another behind the scenes video. Now, when I first started on this incredibly fun streaming journey, I decided to myself that I'm not going to buy a capture card until I reach Twitch affiliate. Well, I did, and I did. So today, I've got the unboxing of that capture card. We'll set it up off screen, and then hopefully we'll be able to run some tests with it later. And if you're tuning in streaming my streams going forward, excuse me, you'll be able to see that capture card in action. Don't mind my partner in the background. She also got a package, so we're going to kind of unbox them together. So check this out. She ordered socks from her dad sent her socks from Australia. It's very exciting. As you can see, I picked up the Elgato Stream Card HD60S. So far, it's the one I heard really good things about, but I haven't had a chance to unbox it yet because I wanted to unbox it for you, obviously. So I got my handy dandy kitchen knife. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, you can just see the back here. Pretty cool stuff on the back. Tells you all about the software. I think it comes with software on it, like its own game capture software. So we're going to see if we need that. We might not need it because OBS is pretty great at this sort of thing. Allegedly, it's completely plug and play. And nice and easy. The side, as you can see, the sides are pretty simple. Just basic. Oh, hey, hang on here. It does come with an HDMI cable. It comes with one HDMI cable. So if you've got the HDMI cable from your console, then that will be plenty. So basically, the idea of buying this was so that I can play my Nintendo Switch games on stream. Why did I grab such a dull knife? I don't have the answer to that either. And maybe in a future video, I'll show you how I got the set up so that you can maybe also do unboxings or tabletop work shoots. You can shoot on tabletop as well. Here you go. Here's a knife. Yeah, of course. So go like this. Open up the sides here. Ooh, there's this really nice like faux velvet tray on the inside here. Yeah. A box in a box. What is this? A Russian doll? Don't need that. Ooh. Is that ever fancy? And this thing has some heft to it. So you can see you've got your HDMI out, you've got HDMI in, USB out. So this is what's going to plug into the computer, into my USB Type-C, into my USB 3 slot. There's also an audio out. So if you have your audio running on a separate system, you can do that as well. And then we've got some cables here, like the this is the USB Type 3 cable that's going to plug into the... Oh wow, he sent you a lot more than just socks.
The avocado socks!
Yay! Are they bamboo socks?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Well, he also got really warm ones. Llama! They're llama socks. They look so warm. Look at them, he got perfect colours. There's blue ones, there's beige ones, and then you got some with chilies in them. And then look, you got kombucha flavoured jellies.
Kombucha flavored jellies?
I'm so glad I didn't Google it. He's like, don't Google what it might be. And I was like, and then vegan jellies.
Okay, and more macadamia
and
nuts
more
too?
kombuchas.
What is that?
Body warmer adhesive. Oh!
What?
That'd be good for camping.
Body warmer adhesive. Oh, they're like hot. Okay, yeah, they're like hand warmers.
Yeah, but you stick them on your chest or your back.
That's
Oh, he knows me so well.
weird.
And some macadamia nuts. Yay!
Clearly, her unboxing experience is quite a bit more exciting than mine. But you've also got your HDMI cable here. That is the one that comes with it. Oh, and they gave me a little sticker. That's cute. I wonder if I'll stick that on. I usually stick things on my work mug, so I'll probably throw it on there. Got a quick start guide here. It looks like a quick start guide. Or some instructions. We'll go over those instructions when we're setting up. Is there anything else underneath here? I don't think so. I could rip it apart if I want to, but I don't think I want to. Okay. Well, that's the unboxing experience for the Elgato HD60S capture card. I'm looking forward to getting this set up and running some tests. So I'll get this set up and we'll talk later. Okay, So it's been a little bit now after the unboxing yesterday and the stream last night, and I took some time and I was having a bit of a hard time getting the capture card set up. That's the Elgato HD60S that I bought. But I think I figured it out, and I'm going to show you the situation that I was dealing with before. So let's hop over to here. So I've got the capture card set up as a video device. First thing you'll notice is that there's a delay in the sound. Also, you might be able to hear it, but I'm not able to hear it. So that's number one. So the way I'd fix that is, check this out. So the way I fix that, now of course we're dealing with streamception right now, which is always a good time. There, now you can see my pretty face. So the way I dealt with that before was I went into capture card, and I went into, nope, sorry. Yes, I went to capture card, and I went into properties, and I scrolled down. This is my Switch home screen here. You can see with the stuff that I have here, the games that I have here, games I like to play. So I went down here and I went to direct out. Now, hopefully, I'm just gonna move this guy again, over to here, and move that back down to there. Hopefully now, I can hear it. But maybe you're hearing it and maybe it's just me. And if it is just me, then that's on me. But there seems to be like a 1 second delay. Now I scoured the internet on how to fix this 1 second delay. This 1 second delay drove me up the wall until I remembered the Elgato capture card comes with its own software. So what I did was I downloaded that software, and this is sort of how I fixed it. It's called the Game Capture HD Elgato software. It's really cool stuff. It's a really cool piece of software. In fact, I think it wants to replace OBS. And you can see it there now. You can see that it's, oh no, you can't really see it. So if I pull that up to here, boom, now you can see it's here. So what I did with that, if you let it sit for a second and you don't move your mouse cursor on here, all this will go away. So we'll just let that sit for a second and all that will go away. And now what I can do is I can remove the capture card. So it's not there, the source capture card on my OBS sources, which is right. If I remove that source now, or I make it invisible, it's no longer creating audio. The only two audio options I have now are desktop audio and mic audio, which are the two that I want to be dealing with. But I can move this guy out of the way. Give this a second till that goes away. And now, there is absolutely no delay. Oh, that's not entirely true. What I have to do is simply remove the capture card completely. So it's no longer a source of audio or anything. So now the only thing I'm displaying is the Elgato software over here and my OBS settings here. And now there is no delay, no audio delay on my end, no audio delay at all. Also, it's playing on full screen, which was a problem I had last night. When I did my stream last night, oh man, oh that was challenging. I was playing all of my games. Here, we'll just exit out of here. So if I went into here and say I brought the capture card back, I was playing all of my games just on the preview screen, which was impossible for small print. And my vision's already not very good, but it was really difficult to play. It worked, sort of, but all stream, if you were paying attention, I was lamenting the fact that I couldn't play this on full screen. But I've managed essentially to do the same thing that I play all my games on, with my second monitor being the place for that, and my main computer, my laptop screen, the one that I've got my OBS on right now, to be the place where I can do all my work from. Where I can have everything set up to do raids and to see chat and to pay attention to what's going on the stream. that's where I can do that now, instead of having to only focus on the one screen or, you know, fiddle and diddle around with everything else. Coffee break. So, if you recently purchased the Elgato HD60S or HD anything, or any Elgato capture card, and you're noticing an audio delay, that's one way to fix it. Use the Elgato Instant Game Capture and use a screen grab to display it in your stream or record gameplay. In fact, I'm going to throw up some test sites so you can see exactly what I mean. The most annoying move in the game. And that is PK Fire. Aha! Got him. Cool. So... isn't this always the way? Man, everybody's caught me now. Oh, last minute victory! Bum, ba-dum. Am I gonna end up playing this game for the next 2 hours? It's possible. I do have the Mantis Claw. Okay. Whoops. Now obviously that was only one solution, and it worked for me, but it might not work for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a couple of different solutions that other people have tried in the description down below. So I'm going to link obviously to you to other videos. Now if you like what I'm doing here, I appreciate it, and I appreciate you hanging out all the way until the end of this video. If you like what I'm doing here, I stream every Tuesday at 5 p.m. P.S.T. over on Twitch. The link is in the description. And you can leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. And let me know what you thought down in the comments below. Thanks again, drink some water, and have a great day.